We have an unbelievable car for you today. A 1970 Chevelle SS454 LS-6 convertible. Incredible colors. The restoration will blow your mind. Hey, I'm Jay Grams from the Volo Auto Museum. You can go to Volo Cars at any time. We always have a few hundred excellent condition collector cars on there for sale, including this one. That's where you'll find the pricing, all the specs, pictures top to bottom. We do shipping, we do financing, plenty of ways on there. You can contact us. We're more than happy to help you out through the process, any questions you may have. Let's take this Chevelle for a spin. Tuxedo black with white stripes, red interior. It doesn't get any better than that. This is incredible. It has 11 miles and a total body off the frame rotisserie nut and bolt restoration. You need to check out the undercarriage pictures of this car. I would literally eat off the bottom. I wouldn't want to get the car dirty. It's that nice. Red interior, all restored GM seat belts, right down to the last little detail. It's incredible. It's got polyglass tires, restored wheels. The stripes are done to the right dimensions. Trunk is completely restored as a matching spare tire and wheel. The jack is wrapped in bubble wrap. Everything is perfect. All the spot welds and the jams and the weather strip and the latches, all completely pristine. The body is probably better than it left the factory. It's laser straight. The gaps are right on the money. Everything fits really nicely. Everything is new. Every rubber seal and gasket and piece of trim and glass, and it's all done. It's got the cowl induction hood, so those cars came with hood pins. This is a genuine LS-6 motor. From oil pan to carburetor, it's all correct. Even has the smog equipment, the big radiator, the deep groove pulleys, the square port heads, the Winters aluminum intake, right battery cables, the GM hoses, cowl induction is all complete. It's detailed perfectly in here, pristine. It's outstanding. We just put the black convertible top down. That is also perfect. Has a glass window. All the framework is painted. It's also pristine. Everything about the car is just blowing me away. It's just really, really nice. I'm going to start it up. It's got a tilt wheel. It's got the gauge cluster. The dash is just gleaming. It's sparkling. The heater controls are new. The clock is ticking. It has the right shift handle with the chrome ball. It's got an AM 8-track player. The flapper door closed. That doesn't open until you really tromp on it. Lets fresh air in there. So you got to floor it for that to open. All right, the mechanic made a few easy adjustments on the carb. It was running really rich. He took care of it. You can see it's running much better now. Interior lights work. The window cranks are new. Underneath has all the right stickers that the assembly line used, all the right stencils. It's got primered floors. The latches are all done. That's the ultimate car. 70 LS-6. This is the only flaw in the car, and that's going to be fixed. The die is peeling off this headrest. That's going to the body shop as soon as we're done with this video. The 70 LS-6, 450 horsepower. That's the most horsepower put out in the muscle car era by any of the cars. It's more horsepower than the Hemi claimed to have. The 70 Chevelle is arguably the most popular muscle car. That's the poster child for muscle cars, in my opinion. You got an ultimate car here. It costs 100 grand to restore this car. It's getting a little bit loaded up. It needs to be run. And I'd be just the guy to take it out and run it. Look at the GMs, they're just pristine. So if you like perfection, that's as close as you'll get. It's far better than it left the factory, and it's the ultimate car. Again, I don't need to repeat myself, but the colors, the options, LS-6 in a convertible, it's incredible. So if you want to treat yourself to something awesome, this is it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what kind of great stuff we're going to be posting. And thanks for watching.